Subscribe to Long Drive for the latest car reviews, in-depth features, and expert insights into the world of luxury and performance automobiles. Today, we take a closer look at the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class Limousine, a masterpiece of engineering that redefines opulence and innovation. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class Limousine is an ultra-luxurious sedan that blends state-of-the-art technology with timeless elegance. Designed for those who demand the best in comfort, performance, and exclusivity, this model takes the already impressive S-Class platform to an entirely new level. Its exterior is a statement of prestige with a massive chrome grille, an elongated wheelbase, and signature two-tone paint options. The Maybach emblem on the seat pillar further distinguishes it from the standard S-Class, while multi-beam LED headlights and a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette enhance its presence. Under the hood, the 2025 Maybach S-Class offers multiple powertrain options. The standard model comes with a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 producing around 496 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. For those seeking more power, the S680 variant boasts a handcrafted 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12 that delivers 621 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. Both engines are paired with a smooth-shifting 9-speed automatic transmission and Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, ensuring effortless acceleration and supreme road manners. The advanced air suspension system absorbs imperfections effortlessly, providing a cloud-like ride. Inside, the cabin of the Maybach S-Class is nothing short of a sanctuary. Every inch is adorned with the finest materials, including Napa leather, open-pore wood, and brushed aluminum. The rear seats are where the magic happens, offering first-class airline-style reclining seats with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. A rear seat entertainment system, fold-out tables, and a champagne cooler make long journeys an absolute pleasure. The Burmester 4D surround sound system ensures an immersive audio experience, while the ambient lighting with 64 colors creates a soothing atmosphere. Technology in the 2025 Maybach S-Class is cutting-edge. The massive OLED infotainment screen integrates the latest MBUX system, offering intuitive voice control and AI-driven features. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster displays crisp graphics with customizable layouts. Rear passengers get their own touchscreens and wireless charging pads, making connectivity seamless. The advanced driver assistance package includes semi-autonomous driving capabilities, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and an advanced parking system that allows remote parking via a smartphone app. Maybach has also focused on making the S-Class one of the quietest sedans in the world. The use of double-glazed windows, active noise cancellation, and enhanced insulation ensures that external disturbances are kept to a minimum. Special attention has been given to vibration reduction, making this limousine feel like a private jet on the road. The exclusive Maybach mode further fine-tunes the suspension and throttle response for an even smoother experience. Customization is a key aspect of the Maybach S-Class, with an extensive list of bespoke options. Customers can choose from a variety of premium leather colors, handcrafted wood trims, and personalized embroidery. The exclusive Maybach Manufacture program allows buyers to create a truly unique vehicle tailored to their taste. Even the key fob can be personalized with precious metals and engravings. Performance is not compromised despite the focus on luxury. The V12-powered S680 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds, while the V8 version does it in around 4.8 seconds. The top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour, ensuring stability and control at high speeds. The rear axle steering system improves maneuverability, making this long-wheelbase limousine surprisingly agile in tight city streets. Safety remains a priority in the 2025 Maybach S-Class. In addition to a reinforced body structure, the vehicle is equipped with a suite of active and passive safety features. The pre-safe system anticipates potential collisions and prepares the cabin accordingly. Night vision assistance enhances visibility in low-light conditions, while cross-traffic alert and emergency braking systems provide extra security. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class Limousine is a blend of tradition and innovation, offering an unmatched level of luxury. Whether you prefer to be chauffeured or take the wheel yourself, this car delivers an experience that few others can match. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of success, refinement, and exclusivity. For more detailed reviews and the latest updates on luxury and performance cars, make sure to subscribe to Long Drive. Stay tuned for more content on the finest automobiles in the world.